Hello guys, I am Austin and you're welcome to Coinspace. Well, today we're gonna be doing a review of the Bitcoin market, which we did in our last video. Well, sorry I haven't been able to make video for a couple of days now because of some challenges I'm having, but right now I'm good. So we're gonna go right to crypto bubbles and see what the market is bubbling like. Well, crypto bubble here right now, it's not doing so bad. As you can see, the market is pretty much looking green, much more better than the last time we saw crypto bubbles. But today, HT, which is our Huobi token, seems to be doing pretty well today, plus 59.6%, which is amazing. On the overall, the crypto market is doing amazing. We're pushing up gradually from a depth that was plunged into due to the FTS crash, the FTS disaster. Well, let's look at the fear index, the fear and the greed index. You can see that the confidence of the investors is still way down. It went as low as 20. You can imagine it went as low as 20. But if we go back to the chart, you can remember that I told you that Bitcoin has seen its low. Yes, Bitcoin has seen its low, which is on this particular point here. And I told you that it's not going to go down much more than that. If you check here now, at this point, it seemed that this was going to be the low, this 15,000 here. But then again, I told you that it's definitely going to come down much more again to that particular point, but it will still go up. And that is what has happened here. It's pushed down to 15,476 and then it's pushed up again. And while it's pushed up for 2 days consecutively, we had a retracement. We had a retracement here, not a very strong one. As you can see, this is a doji candlestick, and the market is very, very indecisive, as well as here the market is still indecisive. But here, the market is a little bit indecisive, but we have more of buyers that are sustaining the market much more than sellers that are taking off and pulling out. Right now, investors are trying to find their footing again and come into the market. And what is that going to tell you? That is telling us that the market is still going to pump. Now, if you check these three moving averages here, you can see that the mouth is very open, and this yellow average here is moving up to the buy direction. Well, it might not be so noticeable right now, but if you observe it very well, you're going to see that it is moving towards a buy direction. Now, this goes a long way to confirm everything I've been telling you so far, that there is going to be a push after drop. And we've had the drops right from this point when FTS had issues. We've had the drop right up to this point where we are currently right now. And now we're looking at the push period, not necessarily like a bull run, but a period where we're gonna see a substantial move up in the price. Yes, we're gonna see a substantial move up in the price of crypto, not only Bitcoin, the mother coin, but also Ethereum and all other major coins who are tied to the crypto system. And that is basically what we're going to be seeing in a couple of days. And December seems to be much more like a period where we don't record much growth in crypto. But this December that is coming is definitely going to be a different one, because there has been a whole lot of activities underpinning before December, which is going to push up the market. Although inflation has not given way for us to actually enjoy the market so much, but the market is still doing well. Well, the market today opened at 16,521 and its high was 16,701 with a low of 16,509. The market is still trading. It was still very, very much hopeful that something can happen, but most likely it might end up like this. It might end up like this, not going much more than this, or it might just blow up. Like I always tell you most of the time, that no one can actually predict 100% what is going to happen in the market, because the market is basically driven by the forces of demand and supply. So most times after predicting, you get to find out that whatever everything you've predicted don't really or doesn't really happened the way you predicted it. So if you're new to this channel, kindly smash the like and the subscribe button. It does help me a whole lot. And please turn on post notification and don't forget to subscribe. It does help me a whole lot. It helps me. And leave a comment in the comment section if you have a contribution to this video or if you have a diverse view. Do leave it. Let's have a conversation and learn much more. Thank you for sticking around. I am Austin and this is CoinSpace.